Yeah, we're gonna go paddle along there.
We're gonna go paddle along there.
Oh yeah, we got radios. We can actually talk now.
Life is so much
Loud and clear.
Maybe. Okay, we got a boat coming up the channel. Let's get on the other side of this big Freightliner before it catches us. Yeah.
So everybody paddle really hard.
How you feeling in this water, Crystal? Is it making you nervous or are you feeling comfortable? That's what I mean.
like 5% nervous.
What?
Like 5% nervous.
Okay. This might be the tide coming in. It's annoying. It's on.
Whoa.
Yours is on.
I didn't know you were wearing it.
I'm wearing it. Grab a paddle. Well, pull us together. Grab onto it. Let's get closer. Okay. I'm gonna stow my paddle.
I'll hang on to you.
Thank you. We should wash your boat.
It's getting washed now.
No, don't grab me. I'm gonna need to have a little bit of space between us so you can see. So it sits with your thumbs on this flat bottom piece and your palm goes right there like that. So when you come down, it's at a 30-degree angle to the water.
Okay, but am I, because I'm hanging on to the paddle part.
Yeah, your thumb goes in the looms and you grip around this part of the shoulder here.
So how's that?
That's perfect.
And then the paddle?
Yeah. And it's going to feel a little bit fluttery to begin with. So right now you're holding it too straight up and down. Angle it just a little bit to the water. You'll feel that it kind of digs into the water like it wants to slice downwards. That looks right.
Uncle Sam, do you feel all hot and sweaty in your suit?
Nope, cool as a cucumber.
I'm all hot and moist and everything, and I just want to take it off.
Okay, if you look straight ahead, there's a bay up there. We can get to the ground there. There's actually a bit of a boat launch.
Thank you. Awesome.
Woohoo!
Hold this for a sec.
I'm just dusting off. I'm floating.
Are you guys in your boats yet?
On my way.
Yeah, I'm in it.
Crystal, don't point towards me.
Came up beside me.
I keep turning away and you keep getting closer.
You with the tow rope. I was gonna make that huge probably what I was thinking. What's happening here?
You keep pointing towards me. Point away. Get away. Get. Yep. Yeah, everyone can get a tow rope like that today. Ah, suck. I said if you need me to tow you, just let me know. Do you need it? Okay. Okay, aim to the right, Penny. Head straight for the mill there. So we don't end up out in the middle of the channel. I just heard you say, holy crap, you scared me. What? Oh yeah.
Just that one ring felt like it might make me tip over, but
Right.
it's easy to keep out of the water with this.
Weird, eh?
And you just never go over.
Yeah. I'm starting to become a real fan.
If I had my other one, I see that it would have got caught and pulled me down.
Yeah. Clear steer the pilings by a bit. That's where the water gets confused, closer to that point. So come on out a little bit deeper.
Copy that.
See how choppy it is up against that barge?
Yeah. Why? Is that because of the waves crashing?
Yeah, the waves crash into it, then bounce backwards. It's basically a wave echo. This water feels warm. Or maybe our hands are just cold from the wind blowing on it, and when we touch the water, it's like, oh, warm. Well, this is fun. Yeah, I'm totally sold on these paddles, Penny.
Yeah, I think we'll leave it in the
Safer.
I think the difference between you and me is that you need to think about it. It needs to make sense in your brain.
I don't know.
For me, I don't know, maybe I'm a natural
Yeah.
like Jordan, he's perfect at it. Yeah. He even enjoys it.
I'm going in. Hey, Penny. Look how the tide's pulling me this way. That way. Oh, well, trust me.